Hello! Welcome to another stupid and random show. Yeah. Anyway, my name is Buster Beat Dog, and it's pretty surprising that I could talk in the first place, isn't it? Yeah, that's a long story that I'll explain to you in another stupid and random video. But for now, let's focus on the topic of Michael Jackson. Yeah. What I don't understand is how Michael Jackson does that thing in Smooth Criminal. You know, when he bends down, like when he just tilts all the way down and he's not falling. I mean, they had to use some kind of magnet or something, because that's impossible. I swear, I did it like 5 times and I tripped every single time. And it's just weird. Even though that should be very easy for me since I have 4 legs, but still. I tried, and it didn't work. Anyway, yeah. And have you ever noticed, like, I don't understand how Michael Jackson was first black and now he's white. And through his Michael Jackson series, he has a whole bunch of different hair. I mean, in Thriller, he had those cherry curls looking things, and you know that video? Oh, I forgot what it's called. The thingy. I forgot the video. The video is... Hold on, let me think. The video. Oh well, it's just a video where his hair is very short, so... Yeah. It's very, very weird. And that's my topic on about Michael Jackson. I'm gonna talk about... Next I'm gonna talk about Drake. So, yeah. What?